On the edge of a quiet coastal village, there stood an old lighthouse. Every evening the keeper climbed its winding stairs, lighting the great lantern at the top. It was his duty, his ritual, and his only companion. The beam stretched far into the night, sweeping across the dark sea. Ships passed safely, guided by its glow, and the keeper watched from his window, knowing he had done his part. But one night, the light burned differently. It glowed brighter, warmer, almost alive. And in its glow, the keeper saw faint figures drifting on the waves. Curious, he carried his lantern to the shore. There the shapes took form, lost sailors, pale and silent, drawn to the light he carried. They reached out, not in fear, but in longing. With each step he took, the souls followed. The lantern's glow stretched across the water, guiding them gently away. One by one they drifted into the horizon until they were gone. From that night on, the keeper's task changed. Night after night he lit the lantern, and night after night the lost would gather, and he would guide them home. But on a stormy night the lantern faltered. The wind howled, the rain poured, and the souls came in greater numbers than ever before. The keeper shielded the flame with trembling hands, refusing to let it die. At last, the storm passed. The lantern shone softly once more. The keeper sat beside it, weary. And as the light filled the room, he began to fade. His spirit rose with the others, carried gently into the night. And the lantern burned brighter than it ever had before.